Warning number 6. Number 6 may tawag bola Cabrera. Pass to number 28, pass to. Basket para ay number 25 may tawag ng bola. Number 9 pass number 8 Dayan. Take 3. Wala na nakuha na. Bola na. Pass to ang saya, pass to number 31. Pass to. Bola na. Number 31. Pass to number. Nakuha number 7 basket. Number 3. May taman bola Pepito. Pass to Villanueva. Traveling violation. Number 31. Pass to number 7. Bola na. People ball by Villanueva. Pass to number 04. Basket.
Nice box.
People ball by.
Box, pero wala nun.
Number 15, makasaya pass. Number 31, masalawa pass to nakuha ni number 25. Number 25 pass to number umangat. Wala pa rin nakuha ni. Bola na. Pak. Big boys. Number 31, Casanova. Casanova may tawag pass to number 64. Nakuha pa rin. Pass to Cabrera, pass to number last. Take to shoot. Take 3. Wala nakuha ni number 15. Pass to Casanova, take 3. Wala nakuha ni number 64. Basket. Number 8, pass to Pepito. Pass to Pepito, take 2. Bola na, big boss. Over. Number 15, may tama na bola. Pass to Casanova, may pass to Cabrera. Pass to. Take shot. Basket para number 64. Number 7, may tama na pass to number 8. Take 3. Wala nakuha ni Cabrera. Pass to number 31, pass number 64, back to number 8. Cabrera naman. Basket. Lamang na naman. Number 25, may tama ng bola. Pass to 04, pass number 03. Same ball. Number 8, pass number 2. Pass to number 8. Wala pa rin nakuha ni number 64. Number 8, may tama ng bola. Take shot. Wala nakuha ni number. Foul. Number 13 foul. Number 0. Pass to number 3. Take 3. Basket para 3 points. Number 31, pass number. Pass to Casanova. Take 3. Wala nakuha ni number 8. Number 8, pass to number 31, Casanova. Casanova, take 3. Inbound ball by number 64, to number 31 pass to number 7 Black Nakwali. 5 counted moves foul red number 0 first personal foul first team foul. Remaining time 4 minutes and 30 seconds in favor of Big Birds. Wala one number 4 pass to number 1 umangat. Wala pa rin Nakwali number 0 Black. Now, siguro na yung tama naman po Casanova. Casanova. Casanova na yung tama ng bola. Take 3. Walang wali number 12. Casanova Pantera. Basket. Info number match team number 8. Nabigay na ang bola ng 0. Foul. Basket with foul red number 2. First personal foul. Second team foul. Unang team. Wala na po. 31. Number 8, Cabalcera. Cabalcera. Basket. Basket para kay Makasaya. Number 0, may tama ng bola. Kasagan, take 3. Wala na kuha ni. Black na kuha ni number. 0, pass to Makasaya. Makasaya, again, pass to number 0, pass to. Number 15, Makasaya, foul. Two foul red number. 0-4, first personal foul, second team foul.
Boss, natago si Bob.
Wala sila. Last throw red to John. Last na, buwan niya na bulit. Number 8, tama ng bola. Number 8, pass, number 0, man. Well, number 1, pass. This bola kay number 1. Casanova. Pass to Cabalcera, pass to Casanova. Casanova back to number 8. Number 8, pass to Cabalcera sa 3. Wala na kuha ni Casanova. Wala rin. Number 4, may tama ng bola. Big boy. Makasaya, pass to number 7. 3 points para kay number 64. Number 0, pass to number 1. Number 1 may tama yung bola. Number 1 pass to number 2 na kumikuti niya na basket. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds. Cabalcera number 8. Pass number. Take 3 number 31 Kapur. Pass number. Nakwali. Pass to number 8. Pass number 1. Number 1. Wala na kuha number 64. Pass to Makasaya. Makasaya. Pass to Black. Sabi ni violation. Equal ball. Pass number 0-4. Number 8. Number 8 may tama ng bola last 45 seconds. Number 8 nakuha ni number 0. Number 0 pass to number 4. Navarro. Foul. Foul red number. Number 08. First personal foul. 30 foul. Last 30 minutes. Wala na kuha ni Casanova. Casanova pass to number 64. Pass to Makasaya basket. Iba na bola kay number 8. Number 8 may tama ng bola. Pass to number 4. Navarro man. Basket last 9 seconds. Makasaya pass to ulang pasok. Number 83 pass number 01. Number 01 Mohan. Wala Huani. Ni. Number 11 pass to number 13 Rick. Wala Huani. Pass to number 28 pass to number 1 pass to. Tatay Livingston. Number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 18 ng mga 3 points. Number. Pass to number 9. Wala na kumuha ng labas. 3 points.
Pawisa ka naman.
Number. Take shot. Wala na kuha ni number 10. Pass to Domingo. Domingo may tama ng balagang kapapagsak. Pass to number 83. Pass to number 1. Bumangga. Foul. Who's foul right number 91. First personal foul. First free foul.
Big boys.
Pass it. Last throw ready to jump. Wala na kuha ni pass to number 28 na Rikawa. Number 28 na Rikawa ng bola. Pass to number 21, pass to number 91. Wala na kuha ni number 28. Number 10 may tama ng bola number 10. Rubanos na kuha ni number 83. Pass to number 13. 13. Wala na kuha ni Karsales. Pass to sa labas. Number 10. May tama ng bola. Pass to number 83. Number 83. Dinali. Pass to Rockwell. Pass number 18. Wala pa rin ang kuha ni Save ball. Timbang the ball by number 18. Number 18, pinasama number 13. Pumay, pass to number 13. Uwangan. Wala. Nakuha ni number 27. Mangalay pass to number 22. Pass to. Nakuha na. Number 83. Number 83 na itama pass to number 73. Pass to number 82. Foul. Number 29. Let's go! Pass number 82. Number 29 is on the foul. Lose number. Number 91.
Dalawa yan.
23. First personal foul.
Ano yan?
Sabi na kita nakuha niya ang Number 11. Number 11 na naman sa number 83.
Ano yung yakap?
Kailangan po natin number 32 na kuha ni Tek siya. Kuha ngayon pass to number 5 to foul number Casares pass to number 3. Wala ni Probanas ang number 10. Paso. Casares ay tama ng bola. Pass to number 7. Pass number 5. Wala number 2. Pepito. Pass number 18 na siya nakuha ng basket. Last 3 minutes and 5 seconds in favor of the people. Number 9 pass to number 28. Number 28 pass number 29 pass number 17 pass to number 5 pass to take shot. Number 83. Pass to number 10. Number 10 pass to Ball shot. Surface sa bola. Number 3. Ay tama ng bola pass number 83. Pass to number 10 to balance. That's 1 minute and 5 seconds. Wala nakakuha ng sunod. Pass to number 28. Bola na. Pass to number 11. Good goal. Pass to number
Papapangki lang yan. Guys, pasok alis. Pasok pa ulit. Kanina ayaw.
Last 6 seconds. Pasok to number 1, may tama ng bola. Pass number 10 to Panos. Pass 2. Take 3. Wala nakuha ni Robanos basket. Number 31. Pass 2. Number 15 Masaya basket. Number 1, tama ng bola. Nabalit sila ni Masaya number 21. Umangat basket. Number 25. Number 25.
Naglalab eh. Naglalab ng dami ng member nito. Ang ano na ng memory nito.
19. Number 19. Okay.
Kaya nga nalag na.
Wala.
Ang hirap na habulin ng mga takbo kasi.
Last row.
Lag.
Basket. Number 90, pass number 31. Number 31, may daan para pass number 90, pass na Hasan Nova. Pass to Masaya. Pass number 90, pass to Hasan Nova. Pass to number. Last take to shoot. Take shot. Wala. Tama ni. Foul. Who's foul red? Pushing foul by number 8. Number 8, second personal foul. Second team foul. Number 25. May tama na wala. Number 25 pass to number 10, Trovanos. Trovanos second pass to number 1. Take shot. Wala na Buwani. Wala na. Big boss of number 31 pass number 98 number 8 pass number 15 Mama Saya. Wala na. Kuha number. Number 25, ay tama na bola. Number 25, from number 4, umikot. Trabili. Number 21. Pass to number 19. 31 na nakuha niya ang bibigay tama. Mga Saya. Mga Saya pass to number 64. 33. Number 1 ay tama ng bola. Number 1 ay sila ni Masaya ang bilis niya. Masaya ang bilis. Tama mo eh. Easy order para sa website. Number 21 nakuha na. Basket. Number 90 pass number 90 may tama ng bola pass to number 64. Nakasaya pass number 64 pass to number 90 basket. Remaining time 6 minutes and 35 seconds in favor of people. Number 25 pass to number Omingo. Foul was called number 8. Third personal foul, 13 foul. Number 4, pass number 25, 33. Tapos, nakuha niya ang isipan ng mga lalakso. Makasa, bola na, 18. Number 25, pass number 1. Number 1 ay tama ng bola. Pass to number 4. Naparo, umikot, pinira, wala. Nakuha na Buwani. Number 1, umangat. Wala pa rin nakuha niya number 8. Pasok sa Nova, pass to Masaya. Take shot, wala nakuha ni number 1. Number 1, pass number 4. Number Tower 4. Number 4, pass to number 25, pass to number 4. Number 3, wala nakuha number 20. wanting to win a team. Basket. Last throw, ready to jump. Basket. Substitution. Number 22. May tama ng bola. Pass to number. Walang outside. Save ball. Inbound ball by number 08. Pass to number 22, Edna. Last time to shoot. Number 22. Walang number. Walang number 8. Basket. Last 3 minutes and 50
Lalagay,
seconds.
walang tagatalo na.
Number 17, Casanova. Casanova ay kamang sa number 7. Bumangga pa sa 35. Last space to shoot. Number 7, Bumangga. Wala pa rin ang wala sa number. Number 4 na Paro. Basket. Last 3 minutes and 25 seconds.
Rebounding. Ano mo dyan mo?
Number 22 pass to number 19. Walang number. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Isa na time out nyo.
Walang tagatalon.
Casanova, number 17. Number 17 pass number 22, number 70 pass number 8. Number 8 nagtaka. 3 points sa number 7. Remaining time 2 minutes and 49 seconds. Napalo. Traveling violation. Number 17. Number 17 na itangan palabas ko number nakuha ni number 08. 20! Wala na nakuha na number 1. Kasi number 0. Number 0 naman. Wala na number 22. Number 22. Dapat pa si number 28. Nawali. Number 1. Number 1 na Barotation. Palabay na Last 2 minutes exactly. With figure of people. Number 8. Number 8. May tatanong pala naman. Wala pa rin. Nawali number 8. Number 8 may tatanong paso. Number 1 naman. Palabay na That's 1 minute and 15 seconds. Number 7, last 17 to shoot. Pass to number. Foul. Who's foul right number? Number 8. Number 8. First personal foul. First team foul. Inbound the ball by number 22. Pass number 17. 3 balls. Last 15 seconds. Naparotate 3. Dala na buwan niya ang 29. Cross over of last 45 seconds. Thank you. Last 30 seconds. Number 0 na itawa ng bola. Number 0. Pass to number 4. Naparotate. Basket. Inbound ball back to Mistrano. Pass to Casanova. Number 17. Last 35 seconds. Wala na wali. Tumira basket. Last 30 seconds. quarter. Number 8, pass to Casanova. Pass to number 8. Cabalchera, pass to number. Wala ang dami. Nawali. Number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 1. Wala number 8. Number 8. Last 30 to shoot. Take shot. Basket. Bilis talaga number 5 no? Number 3 may tama na lang technical pass to Cabalchera. Cabalchera pass to number 31 Casanova. Casanova pass to number 5. Pass to number 8. Abanez last 30 to shoot. Nagkakawan ng Tepito. Nanalo to. Number 5 pass to number 8. Number 8 may tama ng bola. Number 8, pass to Casanova, pass to Pecha, bola na kuha na number 8. Number 8, tama na pass to number 8. Basket. 8 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 8, pass number 7. 3-3. Nawani. Number 91 pass to number 8. Abanez pass to number 1 basket. Number 5 pass to number 10. Pass to number 18. Domingo pass to Tombanes pass to number. Basket para kay number 13. Number 8, Cabalchera. Pass to number 10, pass to Cabalchera. Take para sa'yo. Romano. Pass to number 83. Pass to Pepito. Pass to Colana. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 10. Wala na kuha ng number. Number 5. Sila na kuha ni Pepito. Pepito na number 33. Wala na kuha ni number 31 Casanova. Casanova pass to Cabalchera. Number 83 na itama naman na. 94 pa ang sa sub. Number 13 basket. Okay. Mamaya. Number 8. Number 8. Pass number 91. Take shot. Wala pa rin nakuha ni number 30. Number 30 na mamadali. Foul. Wala. Last throw. Ready to pop. Basket. Number 28. Pass to Mamasaya. Number 38. Tama. Wala. Pass to number 8. Nakuha ni Tropanos. Tropanos na mamadali. Basket. Number 22. Tama ng bola. Number 22. Pass to number 8. Abanez na 7 to shoot. Number 22. Pass to Cabalchera. Number 2, foul. Foul red number 18. Second person. Substituto. Basket. Last throw. Ready to go. Number 1.
Tubig pa siya ito?
Remaining time 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Pass number 4. One number. Kick ball violation. Number 25 Brilliant Nueva. Pass to number 28. Basket. Remaining time 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 1 Navarro. Wala na basket. 61 passes number 22. Cross over moves. Edara Paso Abanes. Abanes ay nakawala Paso mga kalsada Paso number. Substitution. Number 4. Pushing foul. First personal foul. Second foul. Basket. Ball. Number 4. Pass number 30. Pass number. That's 20. Shot. Foul. Who's foul is number 64. Number 64. First personal foul. Second foul. Wala. Sabag-sabag po tayo ah. Last storage video. Isa pa. Last throw. Basket. Ibang naman number 5, number 15, mga Sara. Basket number 8, cross over moves. Basket number 25, number 29. Basket mga Sara. Mga Sara. Basket number 25, billion. Personal foul, first foul. Ang oras po natin ay 4 minutes and 13 seconds. Basket. Last throw, ready to go. Last throw, ready to go. Basket. Substitution. Number 17. Paso Makasaya. Paso Casanova. Paso 22. Edara. Last 14 to shoot. Paso Makasaya. Wala na Kuwani. Number 4. Paso number 1. Number Makasaya. Foul. Loose foul at number 1. And 50 seconds. Paso.
Bumalik si Bubuyo. Ilo.
Number 10. Number 10 global second block. Who's power?
Bola.
Kaya mo, babalik siya yun.
Basket. That's throwing.
Parang kami na ba siya pala ako?
Basket.
Nananakit pa.
Saan ka natulog? Sa ano?
Number 17. Number 17 fake news. Pass to number 22. Number 22 fake shot. Wala na nakuha ni number. Ay sila nakuha number 17 pass to number 29. Nakuha ni. Save the bola. Number 17. Wala pa rin. Wala. Last throw. Ready to draw. Basket. Number 17. Casanova Wasto Casares. Casares.
Wala kang polo.
Tumangat sa 50. Number 1. Nabawa mga basket. Kaya pa yan. Number 10, pass to number 22. Pass to number 5, Gonzalez, pinag-board sa ulo. Number 10, through pass, basket. That's 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Nakuha ni number 25. Number 29, pass to number 5, basket. Last 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Number 31, pass to number 4, Navarro Omama. Wala na. Number 64, may tama na to. Pass to na sa Nova. Gonzalez last time to shoot. Pass number 22, pass to number.
Ba't kasi ganun yung uniform ng isa? Nakakalito. Parang white.
Pass to number 25. Big boy. Casanova may tama ng bola. Pass number 8, Cabatera. Pass number 5, nakuha niya number 0. Nakuha ni number 0 may basket. Kaya pa yan. 14 na lang. Number 8. Number 8 may tama ng bola. Pass to Casanova may tama ng bola. Casanova pass to number 34. Last time to shoot. Number 29 naman. Last 3. Take 3. Wala na kuha ni number 10. Tupano. Pass to number 1. Number 1 Navarro pass to number 10. Last 16 to shoot. Take shot. Basket para kay number 1. Number 8, Cabatera. Last 1 minute exactly. Take shot. Basket para kay number 0. Kaya pa yan. Habulan, no? Number 0 may tama na bola. Number 0 So, magbalik siya. So, kasi naman ba, that's 50 seconds. Abay na, ay! Number 8, pass to number 64. Wala pa rin, foul. Cabaltera. Number 8, penalty na po tayo. 1 minute foul down. Number 8. Unang tira. Palubog. Pangalawang pagsubok. Palubog. Nakuha ni number 19. Last 38 seconds. Cabaltera. Pass to 19. Last 30 seconds. Last 30 to shoot. 3. Last 27 seconds. Take 3. Wala na kuha ni. Cabaltera agad. Wala na pa rin. Best player of
Sino
tonight.
nasipa sa ano?
Abunda.
Sakit?
Number